it seems like everyone is suddenly talking about AI, that is because they are.
Generative AI has taken over the headlines this year because it's revolutionizing the way people work, especially marketing and sales teams. Maybe you've played around with ChatGPT or other AI tools, and now you're looking for the best AI tool for your business. AI is actually incredible at creating content, but some marketers are concerned that they're losing their tone of voice, that sometimes the content generated by AI can sound just a little generic. But that's where Jasper is different. You can actually upload knowledge about your business, your products, your audiences, and the AI can then write factually about your business in your brand voice. Watch this video for the next few minutes, and I'll show you exactly how over 100,000 businesses use Jasper and how you and your team can create on-brand content wherever you work. Let's dive in. The first step to mastering AI is to know how it thinks. Let's say that you were to ask Jasper, write a LinkedIn post about the best questions to ask in an interview. What happens when you click go? All starts with the training data set. This is called a large language model, which means it's read a lot of content on the internet, so it can reference and write about pretty much anything. Jasper's AI engine combines multiple AIs together like ingredients in a recipe, so you don't have to choose between ChatGPT, Bard, or any other models that come out. Basically, when using Jasper, you're ensured to always be using the best AI, fine-tuned for each use case, which also means it's more reliable and performs better. Before Jasper replies, it layers Google's recent news to stay relevant and accurate, then passes through an editorial check for grammar and can even translate to over 30 languages. Last but not least, it will reference your business knowledge and output in your tone of voice. By the way, all of that happens in seconds. So that's how Jasper thinks. Let me show you how it works. In this example, let's pretend we work together at a company I made up called Room. It's a meeting software for working remotely. The first step to getting started is you'll want to train Jasper on your tone of voice. Simply upload a written style guide or link to a few examples of work. Jasper will then quickly analyze how you write and learn your tone of voice. Step 2, you'll want to securely upload knowledge about your company, each one of your products and services, who your audiences are, maybe even a campaign brief and FAQs. Then bingo, you're in business. Now that we've uploaded knowledge about our brand, let's go over to Jasper Chat and let's research some different marketing angles for our webinar. So first step here is to connect my tone of voice. Then I want to select any product or campaign information. Now it's time to give it a prompt. Write 5 marketing angles about the state of remote work webinar. Then I can enhance my prompt because at Jasper, you don't have to be a prompt engineer. Act as a marketer. Brainstorm 5 unique and compelling marketing angles for promoting the upcoming webinar. You can see that this is a much better prompt. Let's go ahead and send Jasper. Wow. Oh my gosh, these ideas are great. Let's see which one we like the most. I really like number 3 here, the current work from home trends, a valuable resource for those struggling to adapt to the new remote work landscape. Gosh, this is so good. Now I'm going to say write an email to our warm leads about the state of remote work webinar. You can see here how much time it just saved me on that first draft. And now as a professional marketer, I can go in and edit this email to my needs. I loved that it brought in my tone of voice, and it also brought in the actual facts of my campaign brief, such as the date and how many people can attend. It's time to move on to my next task. Repurpose this email into a Facebook ad about registering for the webinar. I can send that. Oh man, this is good. Are you a managing director or leading remote team? Jasper, make this more clever. Are you tired of managing a remote team that's not living up to its potential? Now this is a good ad. Now chat's cool, but really the power of Jasper is that we built this tool for marketers. So let's go ahead and create a campaign. We'll name our campaign The State of Remote Work, select our tone of voice as the Room written style guide, and then we can copy and paste our campaign summary right here in a Jasper, and now start selecting our assets. How about a blog post, a Facebook ad, maybe some landing page copy and a tweet thread. Now generate all of these, and just like that in seconds, we have a full campaign asset gallery built for you right here. Let's go ahead and check out this blog post. This is an incredible first draft. The world of work has undergone a significant transformation in the years. Look, you can read the whole thing. It's golden. You can also see that it's brought in factual information such as the founder's name, and all I would have to do here is link it to the webinar registration page, maybe add some images, and then it's ready to upload to your CMS. One of the best parts of Jasper Docs is Power Mode. You have access to over 50 different templates that are fine-tuned for each marketing use case, from generating clever captions, marketing angles, even subject lines to make sure your emails get opened. Let's write a perfect headline. Just tell Jasper the campaign brief, and then here we are, a whole bunch of great headlines to choose from. I love this. Create connections across time zones and cultures. Put that here at the very top. Make that my H1. If you ever need help editing your content, Jasper's great at that too. You can always highlight your content and then ask it to rephrase, fix your grammar, even check for plagiarism. And yep, you can take Jasper with you on the go. Simply add the Jasper browser extension, and now next to your cursor, your AI writing assistant is there to help you improve your emails, generate tweets, come up with ideas. You can even use the API to bring your own technology to life, or connect to Zapier and automate steps in your workflow. Now, I know that was a lot of information, but truly the best way to get to know Jasper is to try it for yourself. Start a free trial and see what kind of amazing content Jasper will generate for your business. I encourage you to go and read our reviews and see why they rated Jasper 4.8 out of 5 stars and over 10,000 reviews. Jasper's been awarded the category king for small, medium, and large-sized businesses. And if you're shopping for your company, I would recommend meeting with one of our generative AI consultants. Just book a time and they can answer any questions that you have and then personalize Jasper for your company. Now that you have your game plan, it's time to take action. Thank you so much for watching. We warmly welcome you into this new world of generative AI.